Hi, so here's my question. I recently decided to take my music to the next level, like seriously. And so I have nothing on platforms except one feed. Nobody knows me except the 1,000 followers I have. Nobody knows my name, my music, my vibe. And honestly, I wanted to come out big from nowhere, like, hey, that's me. Nobody knows me yet, but y'all definitely gonna fuck with my music. Kind of result. So my question was, like, should I start dropping everything on platforms as soon as I start my career? Or should I wait to build myself a reputation, a name, appear, video shoots on YouTube, and then drop on platforms? Like, what's the best advice you could give me to get the result I want? Thank you.
Appreciate the question. So getting right to the answer, I would say to make sure your music is streaming on all platforms. And the reason why I say that is because most up and coming artists, they either pick Spotify or Tidal, but there's over 25 streaming platforms. So you want to make sure that you hit all of them because you don't want to leave any fans on the table. You want to get as many fans as you can. So one thing I would recommend a website is DistroKid. I would use DistroKid because it distributes your music to all 25 platforms. That way you can get your music seen and heard globally. Now, the second thing I would recommend is that you create a mailing list, and you can easily do this by using MailChimp. Now, the reason why you want to have a mailing list is because you want direct access to your fans, and that's important. Spotify doesn't let you do that. Tidal doesn't let you do that. So what you would do is you could go to MailChimp and you could create a landing page where people could put in their name and email address. Now, you would take that link and you put it on your social media and you tell people to sign up. When you do this, now you could grow your audience even bigger because you could alert them with everything. Maybe you have a show coming up. Maybe you have a new music dropping. Maybe you have a new video. Maybe you just started a YouTube channel. But it's the best and most efficient way to directly build a one-on-one relationship with people that support you. So build a mailing list. Now, the third thing I would recommend is that you hit up blog sites. No matter what type of music you record, there's hundreds and hundreds of blog sites that represent that genre. You just have to hit them up. So use Google, find the website, click contact us, which is going to be on the top right-hand side or below on the website. And once you get their email address, attach your music, put together a good email, and send. It's that simple. If you do that 10 to 20 times a day, you will immediately start hitting different blog sites. You'll start seeing your music being posted everywhere. And then it becomes a domino effect. So that's very important. The fourth thing I would say is grow your social media by posting more content. And the reason why you want to do that is because fans are now engaged with the artist. Music is actually the second thing. You can have great music, but if your content and your social media numbers are low, people aren't going to press play on that music. Your social media is like a report card because it tells people who you are. So you want to make sure you're constantly growing it. Now, there's a right way to do this and there's a wrong way to do this. I recommend making it half about your music and half about your lifestyle. And you could post 1 to 2 times a day. If you do that Monday through Sunday, you'll see more streams. Now, my fifth recommendation is contacting playlist curators. And the reason why you want to do this is because the time and age we live in, the average fan is subscribed to different playlists. You want to be on those playlists because it's the easiest way to get your music seen and heard on a bigger scale. So go on Google or go to Spotify or SoundCloud and type in your genre and then type in playlist right behind that. Find the different owners and contact them and send them your music. My last recommendation would be paid advertising. Now, there's a number of ways you can do this, from YouTube ads to Facebook ads to Google ads, all the way to paying micro influencers to post you on their page. But this is one of the easiest ways to get a good ROI, which is a return on your investment. It takes money to make money. You want to make money from streams in your music, then don't be scared to put your money where your mouth is and invest into yourself. Now, you could easily Google these things because there's a ton of videos online that are free that will show you how to do this. But $100 on YouTube will get 20,000 impressions. That's 20,000 different people that just saw your music video or just heard it. So make sure you educate yourself on the many ways of advertising because it's the quickest way to get your music out there. So these were my 6 tips if you're an independent artist and you're watching this. I hope this helped you. Thank you.